FII द्वारा वैश्विक स्तर पर भारत के उद्यमियों को मिला मंच। FII के राष्ट्रीय मीडिया प्रभारी डॉक्टर रनेश राणा ने बताया, भारत के अग्रणी उद्योग संगठन फेडरेशन ऑफ इंडियन इंडस्ट्री ने देश के उद्यमियों के लिए वैश्विक व्यापार और निवेश के नए द्वार खोल दिए हैं। राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष और वरिष्ठ उद्यमी डॉक्टर दीपक जैन के नेतृत्व में आयोजित थाईलैंड के सुनियोजित औद्योगिक दौरे ने उत्तर भारत और विशेषकर हिमाचल के उद्यमियों की सोच को एक नई दिशा दी है। अब तक स्थानीय स्तर पर सीमित रहे उद्यमियों को इस अंतर्राष्ट्रीय भ्रमण के माध्यम से अपनी व्यापारिक सीमाओं को विस्तार देने और विदेशी कार्य प्रणाली को समझने का स्वर्णिम अवसर प्राप्त हुआ। इस औद्योगिक अध्ययन दौरे का सफल समन्वय FII थाईलैंड के अध्यक्ष राजेंद्र खिमेसरा द्वारा किया गया। दौरे की शुरुआत भारतीय उच्चायोग में भव्य स्वागत के साथ हुई, जहां थाईलैंड में भारत के राजदूत नागेश सिंह ने उद्यमियों को थाईलैंड की भौगोलिक, सामाजिक और आर्थिक स्थिति की विस्तृत जानकारी दी। स्टार न्यूज प्लस के लिए नई दिल्ली बद्दी से सतीश जैन की ये रिपोर्ट।
This is also organizing.
Right. This would be our first delegation of the year.
Oh, that's it. We keep on receiving delegations from various states and all that. So Mrs. Jain has also come.
Namaskar.
And his two daughters are also there.
Oh, okay. Hi.
Very nice to meet you, sir. Nagesh Singh. बैठिए ना, please, please. Welcome, welcome. My God. बैठिए, please, please. Good morning and welcome, welcome to the embassy. कब आए आप लोग?
हम लोग कल शाम को आ गए थे, फिर वो थोड़ा सा लेट हो गई फ्लाइट वहाँ से चलने में।
और कहाँ से? दिल्ली से आए?
दिल्ली से, कुछ लोग मुंबई से आए, तो फ्लाइट लेट हो गई, फिर सीधा क्रूज पे चले गए।
Evening program cruise ka tha.
Very nice.
That is the only evening they have free here.
I know. But you should take out some time to see the place. I'm sure everyone's come here before. This is a remarkable country which is only 3 hours away or 4 hours away from India, but we don't know much about it.
Yeah.
And stereotypes हैं इसके, shows our ignorance actually back home in India. Stereotypes of Bhatia and Phuket and and the other distorted vision we have of this country. It's a remarkable country. It's a highly evolved country in terms of social manners, behavior, and I think we can learn a lot from them. And the interesting thing is that there are such deep cultural traditions, beliefs, commonalities, whether it's religion, it's their language, it's their, when I say traditions, festivals हो गए, इनकी जो ceremonies हैं, इतना ज़्यादा। अच्छा, the tragedy is इनको नहीं पता है कि ये सब इंडिया से है। इंडिया में तो पता ही नहीं है। We are only into Bhatia and Phuket. So
They are going to Bhatia.
it's a cesspool. That city is causing us so much of harm. Anyway, that's a different. उसका कारण ये है कि about 25 लाख भारतीय पर्यटक यहाँ आते हैं, and the kind of behavior, the misbehavior and everything leaves behind very bad taste vis-a-vis the Indians. And yet only on Friday I was told अभी visa free हम लोग ने कराया था, they are taking it away from Indians. And I agree with them because of all sorts of things. Because Bhatia में क्या है कि जितने gangsters हैं हमारे इंडिया में, वो सारे आके भाग के वहाँ बैठे हुए हैं। वहाँ नाइट क्लब वगैरह जाइएगा, सर्टन एरियाज है जहाँ कोई नहीं जाता, केवल इंडियंस आपको नजर आएंगे। और मोस्ट ऑफ दोज नाइट क्लब्स एक्सेट्रा, आई वुड एडवाइज यू नॉट टू विजिट दोज प्लेसेस, are owned by whether it's Lawrence Bishnoi gang or some other gangster from India. वो सब आके यहाँ बैठते हैं। होता क्या, उससे हम लोग का हमारी छवि खराब होती है। Let me not start on this negative note. Once again, welcome.
I'm glad 10 years old, and we started off in 2013. Formally registered in 2015 as Section 8 company. But we are the fastest growing nationalist chamber of commerce in India. Nation first, commerce later. So right now we are present in 62 countries of the world. 22 Indian states with 25 sectoral committees. And a lot of policy work we have done in these last 10 years. Some great policy initiatives that were proposed by FII, they've been agreed to by the government. Like demonetization, like voluntary disclosure, like gold bond scheme. Most economical medicines for cancer are now available in India. It is our pressure. Most economical heart care is now available in India. Stent is very economically priced now. And then during Corona period, we put pressure on the government. Okay, come out with a package for the MSME industry. We have to meet all the obligations of the nation, come out with a package, so they come out with a 6 lakh crores package.
I was in India that time. I'm aware of it.
Later on extended to 10 lakh crores. That was a very big savior for the industry. For the 8 crore MSME enterprises which are now left over. Earlier it was 11 crores. So that is our short history in 10 years. Now, after having set up the entire organization in the globe, and it was purely the inspiration of Bendi Sushma Swaraj. She was just like my elder sister. Once I went to her, okay, Bendi, we have done this setup. Deepak, if you are not present in at least 70 countries of the world, you are nowhere. India must grow outwards. So that line changed the course for FII. So we now 11 CIS countries, 6 Balkan countries, 5 countries in Europe, 13 countries in Africa, Latin America, then Canada, all of Southeast Asia, Middle East, Australia, New Zealand, Japan, everywhere we have people.
Very nice.
And the only moon mantra for these teams now, give the best of your thought leadership to India. Give the best of that country to India. Bring the best to India. Take the best from India elsewhere. So that is how from 5 trillion we are just about to touch. From 5 trillion to 30 trillion, that race we will match only when we bring in the best of the thought leadership from the entire globe. That is the mantra of FII. And in our endeavor to spread eastwards, we took one delegation to Nepal to strengthen Nepal, avoid going to China. And now we are here in Thailand. The objective is to see how Indian businesses can grow in this region, keeping Thailand as a base. That growth, we have to study how Thailand has to manage. It has integrated so well into